Hello and welcome back to Serious About Salvage and another video on the channel. Today's video we're going to be finishing the Audi A1 Style Edition we've had for quite a while now. There it is. It's back from the paint shop and it looks really good, to be fair. The paint work they've done, spot on again. Such a nice glass finish on it. Very impressed. There's not a great deal to do really. It's mainly just, fitting all the last bits of trims and bits like that. Wheel arch, splash liners, and the inside is absolutely disgusting. But I'll turn around, let's have a look how it's come back from the paint shop, and then we'll look at the parts we've got left and make a plan. So there it is. That was that rear quarter, and it's looking very good, very good. Nice paint. We had this wing painted, we had the edge of the bonnet repaired, didn't we, along there? So that's been painted. Bumper's been painted. Looking very good. The rest of it's absolutely filthy, so it'll probably look a different colour until it's washed. But yeah, very happy with how it's come back actually. Like I said, the inside is absolutely disgusting. It's filthy. Some from me, some from the body shop. It is what it is. I mean, I've got to clean it. Yeah, it's going to take some cleaning that, but it'll come off. Right, so what have we got left? Well, the front bumper isn't complete, is it? We've got all the grills and the spotlights at the bottom trim. We've got the grille surround, which I still haven't fixed and painted black. And the bits are here. Bumper fog surrounds, spotlight there. We need to do the S-line badge. We need, I need to stick that back in. Rear splash guard, front splash guard, a little spoiler for the front of the bumper. I bought this side skirt, but it turned out to be the wrong one, so they just repaired my original one. A few bits of trims there, I don't think we need them to be fair, but they're there. And then obviously we've got oil and filter. I need to have a check up on the MOT on this car because I really don't remember, it's been that long. Probably do that now quickly. But yeah, it'll soon be looking very good again, and then it's going to need a good road test because I don't know how this drives. I mean, I can't remember what the damage. This bottom arm we changed, didn't we? So I have to check the tracking on this side. It's towing out a touch there. Yeah, maybe need to just adjust the tracking a little bit on this side, but we'll do that at the end. We'll get it on the ramp. I'm hoping to build up this bumper with the bumper still on. I don't want to take it off again. So if we've got the car on the ramp, get the wheels off, hopefully we can get behind the bumper then enough to be able to fit all the bits. I think we can. It looks like there's plenty of room. And obviously the splash guard for this side, so the wheel will be off anyway. Anyway, whip that wheel off, get that splash guard in. And yeah, in no time, it'll be back together. And whilst it's on the ramp, we can also do the oil and filter. So I'll get it on the ramp, we'll get these wheels off and have a look at what we can do. Okay, we're up in the air. I've had it running for a little while just to warm it up, and I've got the oil draining. So we can make a start now on these grills. So obviously this side, splash guard isn't in. So I'm thinking, this is going to go something like that somehow. That goes in there, that goes behind there. That has to go behind there, doesn't it? Yeah. And that then should somehow click in. It doesn't want to. For some reason it's stuck on something. back on that. Yeah, it's stuck behind that, so how about if I go like that? There you go. Nail it. There, yeah. That's like that. So then you get this little grill here. And we've got a couple of screws. Hold that in, and then the spotlight's going to go in from the outside like that. That screws in there. And then obviously you've got the main, is it this one? The main grill again goes in from the outside in there. Something like, that's the wrong one, that's that side. Try again. Something like that. Yeah, so let's get that done. Other side, I'm going to have to pull the arch liner back because that's in the way, but it looks like there's plenty of room behind there. We must remember to plug the fog light in as well. And then, yeah, obviously once they're in, put this back in, put the splash guard back in. Let's do all them bits and pieces, and then we'll come back and take a look and how it's looking then. Right, we're getting somewhere. The front end now is all on and tight, all the fogs are in, bottom little trim's in. I just need to sort this chrome trim, don't I? Get that fixed and on. Splash guard's in, wheels are back on. I need to put the oil in and change this filter yet, so we'll do that next. And then it's going to be, like I said, repairing this centre trim for the front and hope that it doesn't break when we put it back on, basically. But we're getting there. It's looking good. Looking good. Make a big difference when we get this washed. It will. It'll look good. So I'm going to continue, get this oil and filter done now, and then we will repair the grille surround. Right, there we go. What a bonny looking little car these are, with the nice, you know, LED strips. Great looking car. It's turned out really nice now with the black grilling and stuff, as it should have been from factory, obviously. So yeah, I think giving it a good wash now will make a big difference. But oh, it's turned out to be a nice looking car, this actually. I like it. I like it a lot. Looks well. Looks clean. Very good. Right, okay, yeah, I've got the badge on as well, other side. The only one thing I need to do now quickly is just adjust this tracking here. I'm going to take it for a run, see what it drives like, and then it's going to be the big clean up and MOT pending. Let's have a quick look now. I'll just check, I'll come back one sec. Yeah, it needs an MOT. It expired roughly when I actually bought it in November. So we'll get a fresh MOT on it. It's been serviced, service lights are reset, tyres all seem to be fine, plenty on them. I think it's going to turn out to be a nice car, this actually. As long as all this interior cleans up, which there's no reason why it wouldn't. Sorry about the noise, Mr. Chainsaw's at it again. But it is very dirty in here. Very dirty. It is a good clean. But barring that, I do like it actually. I do like it. So yeah, I'll give it a wash and we will come back and see how it's done with the MOT basically, and how it looks all cleaned up and tidy. So yeah, good do, I like it. Okay, there we go. A few days later now, and it's been for its MOT. It's got a full 12 months MOT on it now. Yeah, straight through, no issues. So that is good. I've given it a clean this morning. Nice wash outside, and I like what I see. There's a couple of marks still on it here and there, but as always, it is a 9-year-old car. It's not a new car, but I mean, it'll drive down the road and it'll look great. I do like it. It's a nice looking car this. I like the S-Line here ones. It's obviously wet at the moment, but yeah, looking alright. Couple of marks, unfortunately I hadn't seen them, otherwise I'd have got them dealt with at the paint shop. But there's a slight mark there. I mean, the camera's making it look a lot worse actually. It's nothing like it looks on camera. And there's a bit there as well. A slight dinge there. Again, the camera's making it look a lot worse than it is. You can't see that bit. You can only see that bit. So yeah, not perfect, but I'm not sending it back. It'll just be reflected in the price. So yeah, I'm pretty happy really in general on how it's turned out. Inside has come up a lot. I mean, seats are still a little bit in the middle there, so they could do with another go. It was clean, but I've been kicking the door card as usual, getting in and out with my dirty pants on. But the rest of it, yeah, it's alright. It's nice. What's it got on this? I can't remember. 55,000 miles. Everything works as it should. Drives nice down the road. Should do something alright, this car. It's got, what's it got in the boot? Full tool kit. Some mouldy Pringles, because I haven't cleaned out under here yet. So I better move that out now. But all in all, yeah, it's turned out alright. So that's going to be it for this car. We're going to end it here, end this video, and end the series on the Audi A1 S-Line. I mean, it is a bit of a shame about that wing and that little bit on the rear quarter. I mean, I'll see how it goes. If it becomes an issue selling, then I'll get them put right. I'll see. I'll see how it goes. Anyway, yeah, as always, thank you for watching. Massively appreciated. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed this series, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.